already bought in the stock in 2022 at 700 rupees. Yes, 700 rupees. Vineet, from a longer term perspective, what's your view on Adani Wilmar?
I think, the franchise is a very strong franchise, and to build such a franchise, it takes about 20 years. And the fact that the company operates primarily into the edible oil space, which is a large chunk of its business, there is bound to be some volatility. But with the government taking a lot of steps to ensure that, domestic volumes pick up and there is uniform, reduce the volatility to a large extent. I think Adani Wilmar, with its diversification into FMCG and other products, is well placed to buy from here. So I think, barring for the fact that the Adanis want to sell out, this stock is definitely at a interesting point, and it can continue to move up from.
Right. Just a standard disclosure here, NDTV Profit is part of Adani Group, and yeah, that's why you're watching the show. Now let's get into another questions. This one's on Roto Pump. Now, Nirav, I'll come to you on this one. This question is from Devang, and they've bought in the stock at 245 levels. Would you suggest holding on to it, and what are the key levels that you should watch out for?
Uh, this stock, I'm seeing a very good pattern develop here. Higher top, higher bottom formation is in place, and the volumes are also rising as the stock is rising. So that's a very good sign. I believe one can stay invested. You can in fact add more positions at current levels as well. Don't see any distribution that is happening. So yeah, it should again regain strength and move up above that 450 odd resistance zone. And up to that 550 600 levels continue to stay on. The only real thing here is for you, keep a stop loss of about 380. Once 380 is broken below, there can be some negative bias for this stock, and about 320 odd can come, but I don't see it coming, probably breaking that 380 odd levels. But always have a stop loss with you while trading or investing.
Got it. Next up, we have a question from Krishna Kishore from Hyderabad, and they're talking about Shipping Corporation. Now, Vineet, recently we did a story on Shipping Corporation that talked about